Hi y'all, welcome to Simple Living. I'm Michelle Davenport. I'm doing a juice series. So everything I'm going to be doing for the next probably 6 weeks videos is juicing, all about juicing, what I'm juicing, how I'm juicing it, what machines I'm using to juice, and hopefully to inspire you to put a little bit more vegetables and fruit into your body. What I found is I'm not going to eat a whole bag of celery in a day, but I will drink it first thing in the morning. And I won't eat, 4 or 5 apples with some kale and carrots and ginger. I just won't stuff that all in my mouth, but I will drink it. So there's benefits to it, and that's why I do it. I love healthy. I love doing healthy things, and I love teaching about healthy. But one thing I want to tell you, so if you do beets, make sure you wear gloves because now my fingers are stained. Wear an apron because juicing is messy, it can be messy. And anyway, if this is something you think you might be interested in, come on into my kitchen. Well, we're already there. Come on in by my masculator juicer, and that's what I'm using, a masculating juicer. That's Caynel, C-A-Y-N-E-L. I'll leave it below in case you want to get it. It's $112. I also have another juicer on order. It's an investment, so not everybody's going to want to go and invest in the juicer that I'm going to be using. It's actually a pressed juice. It's commercial grade, and anyway, like I said, it's going to be an investment into our health, and so we decided that it's worth it to us. So we're going to go ahead and do that, but I also want to show you how to juice on something that's $112. And then I have another juicer that is, let's go look. I forgot the name of it. My Omega 900. It's a beast, if you can see it. Masculating juicer. And masculating juice, all that means is that you can keep them in your icebox for up to 72 hours. Your juice, you don't have to juice it and drink it right away. You have the option to make up juice and store it in your icebox, because I don't know about you, but I don't have time to get up every day and make juice. But I do have time to set about, well, when I get my new juicer, it won't take me very long at all. But with this one, it takes me about an hour and a half to cut and prep everything for about 8 17-ounce jars of juice. So it does take me a minute on this juicer, and it'll take you some. It just depends on what you want to do and how you want to invest in your health or not. Or else you just might want to go buy it. And if that's the case, then you're going to want to skip the next 6 weeks of my channel because I'm going to be doing all about juices. All right. So the first juice we made was carrot, apple, ginger. It's one of my favorites. Carrots are going to be the hardest thing on your juice. It's going to really test the juicer that you have, but this one for $112 was a beast, and so that's about the hardest thing you're going to juice, and it made it through it without overheating and without making the juice hot. So for the money, this is a good juicer to start out with, especially if you're just starting out juicing. This is the way to go right here. For $112 on Amazon, in 2 days you can be juicing up these recipes. All right. Okay, thanks for staying. Thanks. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm starting a juice series using the Caynel juicer. Today I am making orange, apple, ginger. So I've cut up all my apples and my ginger and my carrots. Not orange. Carrot, apple, ginger, not orange. I'm out of carrots. So I have been juicing for off and on for some time. I just make these little juices up. Usually the one on the second shelf is what we drink second, and the first shelf is what we drink first. I am getting a better juicer, but for now, this one is working like a champ. All right, so let's get started. The key to using these masculating juicer, especially one that this one's right about $110, is to cut up your fruit and vegetables into chunks, and then you just open that little spout beat this Caynel juicer for I think it's $112. I'll leave the link below in case you want to get yourself one. Apple, ginger, carrot juice. Wow. Okay, then you want to get yourself a little strainer. I got these little bottles. I'll leave the link below too with reusable. Then I just put an extra little strainer in there. And then get your juice. And you pour it in the double strainer. Sorry about that noise in the background. That's my husband doing yard work. Go ahead and mix that up. You want to kind of stir that around with clean hands, of course. Get all the juice out that you can. And then just put that little pulp over in your composter bucket. And then just repeat the process until you have yourself a nice You can use the back of the spoon, but my hand's been in water this whole morning doing the juice, so I'm confident that they're clean. But if you're serving it to a guest, definitely use the back of the spoon. All right, one more time. I'm telling you what, y'all. So good. Uh-oh. No, I went over. Okay, well, that works beautifully. Okay, y'all. I've got my apple, carrot, ginger juice. Let's give it a taste because, yeah, what good is juicing if you're not going to drink it? Oh my gosh, that slap your mama good. That is so good. Oh my gosh. It's got the earthiness of the carrots. It's got the sweetness of the apple, the green apple, the tartness of the green apple, and then the red apple. And then there's ginger. Delicious. Yep. I got 12 of these bottles for $19.99. It comes with the lids. Everything can go in the dishwasher, but I hand wash the lids. We can make up 12 of these at a time, 6 each. That'll last us almost a week. But I mean, they're only good for like 4 days, so we drink 1.5 a day. So anyway, fruits and vegetables in my body. Yeah, you could too. You could be doing it too. All right, thank y'all for stopping by Simple Living. You know what I always say, go out there and be willing to be an answer to somebody else's prayer. But listen, if you can't be the answer, don't be the problem. All right, God bless you. Get some juice in ya. Bye-bye.